how to remove Instagram from your Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Instagram from your Facebook account. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu that appears, you can simply scroll down and select settings and privacy. Now here, you can just select settings, and now once you are inside the settings, you can just tap on account center. And now here, once you're inside account center, you can simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as manage account. And now here, once you're inside the section, you can just select the account, and there you can just tap on manage just beside it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on move out of this account center. And now here, once you are inside this section, you can just tap on move account, and here with that you can just tap on continue, and in this section you can just tap on yes finish moving button, and here once you do that you can just continue to remove it. And now with that, there will no longer be linked between Instagram as well as Facebook, and that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.